Do you love fidelity and probity and the pity of God who is mighty? Do you love good life with thrive that follows you until afterlife? Do you love happiness and fitness without sadness and weakness? Do you love victory, being merry, and having very bonny story? If you love this, just love Sëriñ Tuubaa, the leader who was called Xaadim Rassuul. He's a conductor. He's a servant of Muhammad, who is the last prophet. Bringing mercy and peace was his target. Islam was his religion. He strived for it. He sacrificed his whole life for raising it. Muhammad was his symbol and his power in front of the enemies who are lower. I love him because he showed me what is right and which way I can find happiness day and night, and how to love Muhammad. He's a light. The light that lighted everything in my sight. He's the one who killed darkness by his education and cut the rope of the slave in his nation. He's the one who defeated enemies without weapon. In the hard time, he was fighting to make the door open. Until now, we live with Islam without problem. If you are Muslim, you must love him, because it's a blessing that Allah brought us. We have no payment for what He has done for us. Please, if you are Muslim, come to learn about his education, enough to learn all things that he wrote. Now we have to learn his way to understand it. Let's start to learn today strongly.